Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everyone. This is me, Alia Jaber from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today I'm going to complete with Grade 5, Unit 10, Ben and Emmy's Holiday. Our lesson for today is Period 3, Unit 10, page 6. We're going to answer question 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Let's start. Now, the first question for today is listen, stand up, or sit down. You are going to listen to some sentences. If the sentence is correct, please, you have to stand up. But if the sentence you hear is not correct, you have to sit down. Ready? Let's listen and stand up or sit down.
1. The wedding was in the winter. 2. Ben's uncle got married. 3. Ben went on his uncle's boat. 4. All the family went to Scotland. 5. The family were in the car for 7 hours. 6. Amy read a book about a princess.
Now, these are the sentences that you have listened to. Let's see them. If the sentence is correct, stand up. If the sentence is not correct, sit down. Let's start with the first one. The wedding was in the winter. Is it correct? No, you have to sit down. What is wrong in the sentence? The wrong is winter. It must be summer. 2. Ben's uncle got married. Is it correct? Stand up or sit down? Sit down. Not correct. What's the wrong in the sentence? Yes, the wrong or the mistake in uncle. It must be Ben's aunt got married, not uncle. 3. Ben went in his uncle's boat. Stand up or sit down? Stand up, because the sentence is correct. 4. All the family went to Scotland. Stand up or sit down? Good. Stand up. 5. The family were in the car for 7 hours. Is it correct? No. Where is the mistake? The mistake in 7. It must be 6, not 7. The last sentence, stand up or sit down. Amy read a book about a princess. Stand up or sit down? Stand up, because it is correct. Amy read a book about a princess. Now, let's go to the second question. Question 2. Let's read the question. Read, then tick the correct sentences. Here you have 6 sentences. You have to read them. If the sentence is correct, please, you have to put tick. But if it is not correct, what? Don't put anything. Just underline the mistake in the sentence. Ready? Let's do number 1 as an example. The wedding was in England. Is it correct? What do you think? The wedding was in England? No, it's not correct. What is the mistake? Do you know what is the mistake? Yes, the mistake in England. Because the wedding was in, yes, Scotland, not England. Now, you have 2 minutes to answer 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your time starts now. Finish? Good. Let's answer them together and you can check your answers with me. 2. Amy wore a yellow dress. Did Amy wear a yellow dress? It's correct. So you have to put tick. 3. Ben liked going in the boat. Did Ben like going in the boat? No, it's not correct. Why? Because Ben didn't like going in the boat. We said the boat was very fast, so he didn't like it. 4. Ben took lots of photos. Did Ben take lots of photos? Yes, it's correct. You have to put tick. 5. The family went by boat. Oh, did the family go by boat to Scotland? What do you think? Did they go by boat to the wedding? No, it's not correct. The mistake is in boat. It must be what? Yes, it must be not boat. It must be car. The family went by car, not boat. 6. Amy read the book with Rania. Yes, it's correct. Amy read the book with Rania. Now, please, everyone, check your answers. If you have any mistake, you can correct it. But if you don't have any mistake, you are really excellent. Can we go to the second question now? Okay, if you are ready, let's go. Now we are going to answer question 3. Read and complete the sentences. Here in this question, I have 6 incomplete sentences. I want you to read them and complete them with the correct words. If you have any one difficult, you can go back to page 4 and find the answers. I'm going to do number 1 as an example to you. Let's read number 1 together. Ben's aunt got what? Yes, got married. Again, Ben's aunt got married. So we have to write here married. Now, can you answer the others? Answer them. Okay, let's answer them together now and you can check your answers. Number 2, Amy went to the wedding. What can I write here? Amy also went to the wedding. So the answer is also. 3. Amy's story is what? Is about a princess. Amy's story is about a princess. 4. The family went to Scotland. What can I write here? The family went to Scotland? Yes, by car. By car. 5. It took 6 what to get to Scotland? 6 what? 6 hours. 6 hours. I have to put S here because 6 is more than 1. 6 hours to get to Scotland. 6. Ben went for a boat ride. Ben went for a boat ride. Now you can check your answers and you can check the spelling for all the answers. Finish? Good. Last question for today. Let's read it together. Read page 4 and write answers to the questions. We have here 6 questions. If you have any problem with any question, you can go back to page 4 and you can find answers there. Let's answer number 1 together. Where was the wedding? They are asking about the wedding. Where was it? Yes, it was in Scotland. So when I ask you where, it means the place. It was in Scotland. Don't forget, Scotland is capital because it's a name of country. And don't forget to start with capital also. So the answer is, it was in Scotland. Can you answer the others? Please try. If you have any problem, you can go back to page 4. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer them. Please answer. Finish? Okay, let's answer them together. How long did it take to get to Scotland? So what is it? The answer is it took about 6 hours. Why I wrote here took, girls? Because I have here did, past. So how long did it take to get to Scotland? It took about 6 hours. 3. Where does a princess live? Where does she live? Yes, she lives in a palace. Look here, I have does. I'm going to take S from does. So she lives in a palace. Who went to the wedding? Good, all the family. Who went to the wedding? All the family went. What was Amy's book about? What was Amy's book about? We said that Amy had a storybook. What was it about? Yes, it was about a princess who doesn't feel well. Or it's about the princess and the 3 friends. So we have here 2 answers, and both of them are correct. You can write a princess who doesn't feel well or the princess and the 3 friends. The last question in our lesson today. What photos did Ben take? They are asking about Ben. We said Ben took lots of photos, but what photos did he take? Yes, he took photos for mountains. He took photos for mountains. You can write in Scotland. It's correct. Or he took photos for mountains. Can you check your answers? Check the spelling, don't forget. For today is finished. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for listening to me. See you soon. Alia Jabber.